for that drop-down item at the top, and then the items in the list show up underneath it. Okay, questions on that?
Quick question regarding the references in both of those methods when you're doing with the resource. Could you scroll to the first method right there?
Mm-hmm.
Scrolling to the right. So you are requesting simple list item.
Right.
And then in the other method, are you also?
I was doing simple drop-down item one line, which should be a different one.
Right, I see.
Yeah, that's what at first I thought I had actually said the same thing in both places, because that would have made a lot of sense. But then I wasn't setting the text in both places, so it has to be calling this guy for that first one, because he's actually getting the text in there. So there's probably something I need to do with this to tell it that it's being used for a spinner. I just need to find out what that is. And let me take a real quick look at something with array adapter. I bet I have to implement spinner adapter.
Yeah.
No, base adapter implements spinner adapter as well, though, so that's not it, because I'm extending base adapter. I was thinking there might be something that, a tag interface on it or something, but no, that's not it. So I'll play around with it and I'll post a note about it. Let everybody know. Okay. So questions on that? That's a spinner and an adapter. Fairly simple things. Okay. And we'll go over to here. Blip, 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 blip. There's the view holder. If you want to listen to items getting selected, you just take the list view and you call set on item click listener. It's very much like the on click listener for a button. It'll tell you the row that was selected and the ID for the item in that row. So that's where that method that said get ID for the row, that's where that guy's used. This is really useful if you're doing something like using what's called a cursor adapter, which if you're doing database access using Squeal